Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Raipur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test CUT PG, JIPMER Puducherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, गुरु गोविंद सिंह इंद्रप्रस्थ यूनिवर्सिटी, किंग जॉर्ज मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लोर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, संजय गांधी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH and MHA entrance exams and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration entrance exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for important jobs and admissions. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So earlier we have covered from question number 1 to 10. In this video we will start from question number 11. Here first question is, what is coronavirus? What is coronavirus? Options are A, it is a large family of viruses. Option B, it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Option C, both A and B are correct. Option D, only A is correct. Correct answer is only C, both A and B are correct. So what is coronavirus? Correct answer is, it is a large family of viruses. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. So coronavirus is a large family of viruses and it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Both the statement option A and B are correct. Its explanation is, coronaviruses are a large family of viruses and belong to the nidovirus family or nidovirales order, which includes Coronaviridae, Enteroviridae and Rhodoviridae families. So coronavirus are a large family of viruses and belong to the nidovirus family or nidovirales order, which includes Coronaviridae, Enteroviridae and Rhodoviridae families. So coronavirus is a large family of viruses and it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Next question is question number 12. Health paradox refers to. Health paradox refers to. Options are A, high income with high human development. Option B, low income with high human development. Option C, low mortality with high morbidity. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, low mortality with high morbidity. Health paradox refers to low mortality with high morbidity. So health paradox refers to low mortality with high morbidity. Its explanation is, the male-female health survival paradox, also known as the morbidity mortality paradox or gender paradox, is the phenomenon in which women experience more medical conditions and disability during their lives, but they unexpectedly live longer than men. So health paradox refers to low mortality with high morbidity. Next question is question number 13. World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? Options are A, COVID-19, B, COVID-19, option D, COVID-20, option D, COVID-19. Correct answer is option A, COVID-19. World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. The new name of the disease is COVID-19. Its explanation is, World Health Organization named the disease that is caused by the novel coronavirus as COVID-19. So World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. The name of the disease is COVID-19. Next question is example of tertiary health care. Example of tertiary health care options are A. Cardiac surgery, B. Plastic surgery, C. Cancer management, D. All the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. So example of tertiary health care are cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, cancer management. So all the options regarding tertiary health care are correct. So example of tertiary health care includes cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, cancer management. Its explanation is once a patient is hospitalized and needs a higher level of specialty care within the hospital, he may be referred to tertiary care. Tertiary care requires highly specialized equipment and expertise. As at this level, you will find procedures such as coronary artery bypass surgery, renal or hemodialysis, and some plastic surgeries or neurosurgeries. Example of tertiary care services are cancer management, neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, treatment for severe burns, advanced neonatology services, palliative and other complex medical and surgical interventions. So example of tertiary health care are cardiac surgery, plastic surgery, cancer management. All the options are correct. Question number 15 is the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in. Options are A. Beijing, B. Shanghai, C. Wuhan, Hubei, D. Tianjin. Correct answer is option C. Wuhan, Hubei. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei. So the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei. Its explanation is the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. Question number 16 is NRHM stands for. NRHM stands for. Options are A. National Rural Health Mission, B. National Remote Health Mission, C. National and Regional Health Management, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. National Rural Health Mission. NRHM stands for National Rural Health Mission. So NRHM stands for National Rural Health Mission. Its explanation is the National Rural Health Mission (NRHM) now under National Health Mission is an initiative undertaken by the Government of India to address the health needs of underserved rural areas, launched on 12th April 2005 by then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The NRHM National Health Rural Mission was initially tasked with addressing the health needs of 18 states that had been identified as having weak public health indicators. So NRHM stands for National Rural Health Mission. Question number 17 is the number of live births per thousand of population per year means. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means. Options are A. Birth rate, B. IMR, option C. Death rate, option D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Birth rate. The number of live births per thousand of population per year means. Correct answer is birth rate. So number of live births per thousand of population per year means birth rate. Its explanation is the crude birth rate in a period is the total number of live births per thousand population divided by the length of the period in years. The number of live births is normally taken from a universal registration system for births. Population counts from a census and estimation through specialized demographic techniques. The birth rate is used to calculate population growth. So number of live births per thousand of population per year means birth rate. Next question is question 18. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Options are A. MERS, MERS, B. SARS, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A or nor B. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. So MERS, MERS and SARS, SARS, these two diseases are related to coronavirus. Its explanation is coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold through more other serious diseases like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS-CoV, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS-CoV. So full form of MERS is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS-CoV, and full form of SARS-SARS is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS-CoV. So question is, which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? So both A and B options are correct. MERS, that is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and SARS, that is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. These two diseases are related to coronavirus. Next question is health is a question number 19. Health is a dash subject. Options are A central, B state, C concurrent, D none of these. Correct answer is option B state. So health is a state subject. Health is a state subject. Its explanation is public health is a state subject. The interventions under National Rural Health Mission (NRHM) are aimed towards by supplementing the efforts of the states. In this direction, the central government enacts laws, but implementation rests with the state government. So health is a state subject and public health is a state subject. The interventions under National Rural Health Mission (NRHM) are aimed towards by supplementing the efforts of the states. In this direction, the central government enacts laws, but implementation rests with the state government. Next question 20. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are options are A fever, B cough, C shortness of breath, D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough, shortness of breath. So mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough and shortness of breath. Its explanation is people infected with novel coronavirus or 2019 and CoV reported with mild symptoms, namely fever, cough and shortness of breath, whereas other common symptoms may include runny nose, headache, sore throat, a general feeling of unwell, etc. So mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are fever, cough and shortness of breath. In this video, information regarding 10 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exam for public health and hospital administration for various university and institutes like AIIMS, ICMR, CUT, PG, JIPAR, NIMHANS, SPPU, Guru Gobind Singh Trust University, KGMU, CMC, Lucknow University, Punjab University, SGPGI, etc. and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.